Today we're doing a science experiment with this or these, and you can get to see what all this is.
What is that?
This is whatever it is.
Vegetable oil?
I think
I
this
think that's
is
good.
enough.
Yeah. What is that?
Water.
What's happening to the water?
It's getting like all the way down. None of it gets mixed.
Okay. What are you doing next?
Putting food coloring in it.
Okay. And we're out of red, so we're just gonna make it blue.
We're just doing a lot. The water acts like it's the bottom.
Why does it all fall down to the bottom?
I do not know.
Do you think it has something to do with gravity or weight?
And you're gonna
Wait till all the blue gets to the bottom. Is it all done?
It stopped at the water.
Okay.
What is that?
This is whatever I do.
An Alka-Seltzer tab?
Yeah. And
Okay.
just watched it do a thing. Oh, and it splashed it out. It's creating more of it. Yeah. And it's exploding like a volcano. But the top right here stops it.
Kind of looks like a lava lamp, doesn't it?
Yeah. I wonder what will happen if you touch it.
I don't know. What do you think will happen if you touch it?
Probably it feels like water. Yep, it just feels like water. It just looks like a lava lamp. And look, some of it kind of looks like it's floating in mid-air. That's all for this today's video.